Hi everyone, welcome to week 4 of class. I wanted to do a little video because last week I didn't have a video for you. And also I wanted to talk a little bit about the sensitivity of this week's assignments and just give you some updates on what you guys are looking forward to this week. So first things first, we're in chapter 4, which is verbal communication. And we're going to take a look at this chapter in a few different ways. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to have a quiz due on Tuesday, similar to all your other quizzes you've done, and that'll be all on verbal comm. From there, we're going to pivot and we're going to apply what we read in the chapter and what we took a quiz on to some more real life situations. You're going to read an article. You'll read the whole thing first, and then I ask you to find your name, and I've assigned every student a small aspect of the article to then summarize for everybody else. So you'll do that. After that, on Friday, you also have an assignment where it starts to get a little bit sensitive. And what I have you do is I have you look at some sentences and some concepts around racist and sexist language. And the idea is just to make you think. I want you to think about the way other people speak and how their words impact people, but also your own word choice. And the idea is literally just for us to start thinking about, is language racist? Can it be sexist? And then how do we potentially fix that, or how does that make us feel? The idea is that only. That's all. That's my main goal in having you do that assignment. From there, I switch it over from looking at the way other people speak and other people's words to you looking at your own words. And that last assignment is going to be an I versus you language assignment. It explains it in the textbook, so you want to make sure that you understand not to just switch the I and the you in the sentence structure. But the idea is for you to own your own language, own your own words by using I versus the accusatory or blaming like you. And so you'll look at that. Be aware that in the last aspect, I ask you to use an example from your own life. And I have had situations where people just copy and paste things they find on the internet. And I have like 7 or 8 students with the same exact example. And when I go search, I find it too. So just really make sure you're being creative and you're being thoughtful. It shouldn't take you too much time to come up with your own example. And that way you're not just copying and pasting something of someone else's words. So be aware of that. Last but not least, I hope that class is going well for you. I hope things are clear, and I hope that this chapter forces you to look at your own language choices and the way that other people use words, and then empowers you to pick words that really express what you mean and are portraying good, positive communication skills. So with that said, keep your skill building going, and I will look forward to hearing what you come up with. Thank you.